Hello friends, let's install Python in our system. So before that, you should know whether your system is 32-bit or 64-bit. Mine is actually 64-bit. So let's proceed. Yeah, go to the website www.python.org. Go to the downloads page. So in the downloads, if you are clicking on this, you will get the package, but this is for 32-bit and mine is 64. So for that, go to Windows. For the people working with Linux, Mac OS X, you can select accordingly. I'm selecting for Windows. So here we have Python releases for Windows. We have Python 3 and 2 release, and I have heard something like Python 2 series will be disappeared soon, like by April 2020. Okay, anyhow, we will go forward with the latest version, that is 3.8.1. It is released on December 18, 2019, and click on this download Windows x86 64 executable installer. This package will be downloaded here. Executable package will be downloaded here. Click on that. Yeah, so the following pop-up will come, and here we can see we have installed now customized installation. This customized installation is for any particular location. If we want to save the Python, then we can choose this. If we want to save the default location, that is under C, users, app data, local program, we have to click on this. Before that, check this box, add Python 3.8 to path, so that we can run Python from any parts of our computer. Go to install now, click. So the Python is under installation. It will not take much time. Yes. So the Python is installed in our system. Close. Now go to the start button, type Python. We can see something like a command prompt button here. Open that. Yes, this is the immediate mode in Python, which we will use to do some small mathematical calculations like this. Now we are moving to our idle part. Type IDLE, open. Yes, so this window is called as the shell window, where output of the Python program will be displayed. Even this can be used as the intermediate mode. So here I'm typing 2 plus 5, 7. So I told you like here the output will be displayed. So to save the codes, we are opening another file. Go to file, go to new file. Yes, in this page we will be writing our codes. So I am giving here print hi, and go to file, go to save as. This is the path which Python is installed. I am taking a new folder. Hi, open that, and file name also I am giving hi, save, and it will be saved under .py extension. Now if I am running this module, you can go to run and run module, or you can give F5. So run. Yes, output will be displayed here. Now we will go to the programs in Python. Don't forget to hit the like, share, subscribe button, and for the further notification, please press the bell icon. Thank you.